Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for a piece of technology that I had asked for my birthday, which isn't for like 2 more weeks, but I didn't actually think anyone would get it for me. But yeah, so this is an early birthday gift. Let me give you a hint of what it is. You see the bag? See that? That's an Apple logo. So this is an iPad Pro. Now, don't anyone come at me for how many Apple products I have, because it's a lot. My brother's probably gonna disown me at some point because he's an Apple hater. But I do have an iMac, a MacBook Pro, as in the laptop, and now I have an iPad Pro. Do I need all 3 things? Fuck no, who the hell needs all 3 things? Unless you're like an artist or a photographer and you need that kind of thing. But I do have reasons for why I have all 3. I'm not gonna get into them because there's no one's damn business, but I like Apple products. I also have an iPhone. So yeah. So the main reason why I asked for the iPad Pro is actually for my PhD program. I asked for an iPad Pro because in one of my classes, I can't even remember which one it was now. I want to say it was my like cognition class. My PhD program is instructional design and technology. I kind of like technology. I also like instructional design because I do have an educator background. So someone in my class was talking about how much reading we have to do for a PhD program, which duh, kind of could have figured that one out because undergraduate, there's a lot of reading. Master's, there's a ton of reading. PhD, there's so much fucking reading that your minimum of 6 years of your life is gone to just academic reading. So someone in the class was talking about how she has an iPad just for her PhD program because then she doesn't have to print anything. She can just have it on her iPad Pro, and then the cool thing is if you get the pen, which I did, you can like write on the articles and like make notes and highlight and all sorts of cool stuff. And you don't have to print anything out. You don't have to have all these papers. You don't have to have all these writing utensils. Yes, it's an expensive thing just for that reason, but I'm sure I'm gonna find a bunch of other reasons to have an iPad. Kind of like when I go on trips and I don't plan to really edit anything. Like if I go on trips and I plan to edit vlogs if I do them or any kind of video while I'm away, my MacBook Pro will go with me. I'm pointing in this direction because it's over there on my desk right now. But if I'm going and I don't plan to edit anything, I think this puppy's gonna be a good kind of thing for me. Far more portable than a laptop. That's really dumb to say because the whole point of a laptop is for its portability. But this is far more portable. And it's gonna be great because in April, I'm going to Baton Rouge for like less than 36 hours and this puppy will be going with me because I won't need to edit anything, but this will be great to have. So I'm getting off topic. I really don't need to explain myself to anyone as to why I have so many Apple products, especially since they're expensive, but I like technology. I like Apple products. I like being up on technology. I fucking wanted it. So now we're gonna get into what you're here for, the actual unboxing. So I've got 3 items in this goodie bag and I'm gonna show them to you right now. The first one is, duh, the iPad Pro. I did get the 12.9-inch one. It has Wi-Fi and cellular, so it will be going on my cell phone bill because I don't use Wi-Fi all the time and I have unlimited data, so why not? So that's the first item. The second item, which this is the main reason why I actually got the iPad Pro and not just a regular iPad, because of the pen. Yep. The pen. It only works with iPad Pros and I really wanted this pencil. My bad. It's not a pen, it's a pencil. I don't even know what item I've got. But it only works with the iPad Pro, so that is why, that's really why I got the iPad Pro and not just a regular iPad, but yeah. And then the third item I got, even though I just said that I won't be like editing videos on this, I do also do photography. I'm a big time amateur. I like to pretend that I'm one, even though I'm not. But I did get a Lightning to SD card camera reader, so I can just plug this in the bottom, take the SD card from my camera, shove it in there, and I can edit photos on this. Now that's pretty snazzy, so yeah. So those are my 3 items. Just got it and I'm already dropping it. And yes, before anyone says anything, I do plan to get a case, but all the cases that were available at the Apple Store had really bad ratings. So if anyone out there with an iPad Pro has a case that is not leather, I would prefer faux leather or plastic or whatever, and you actually like the case, leave me a comment below so I can check it out. So the first things I'm going to unbox are the actual accessories. I'm gonna save the iPad for last. Don't worry, I'll put like timestamps so you can skip ahead, whatever. But the the first thing I'm gonna open is the Lightning to SD card camera reader. Let's just, oh, well that was easy. I was like ready with scissors and everything. So, da-dum, 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 da-da, da-da. All right, so here it is. Looks just like any other card reader. Just this little dongle. You plug it in the bottom. You plug your SD card in here. Voila, item number one. The next one is the pencil. Ooh, I will actually have to use scissors for this one. Not as easy to get into as the other one. Let's open this bad boy up. Oops, I cut the box. How do you open? Oh. Oh, it's not. Hold on, it's coming. But what's all this? All right, so pull this out. I have no idea what that, okay, just fell out. That's cool. And here is the pencil. Wow, that's fucking big. All right, let's take the plastic off. There you go, ASMR people. Hope you enjoyed that. What's in here? All right, so this is, whoa. So this is like different little appendages for it. Like there's a tip one, there's a bottom one. There are instructions. Oh, you actually have to replace the tip because it will wear down much like a pencil. Apple Pencil may present a choking hazard. Don't ingest this. All right, so it does do Bluetooth. It's got a battery, got all that fun shit. So this is stuff that I should actually keep. So we're gonna put that to the side. So here's the actual pencil. There we go. All right, so now the piece de resistance. All right, we've cut the plastic. ASMR people. How's that? Is that doing something for you? All right, we now have it out of its plastic. Oh, by the way, I don't think I mentioned, but this is the 256 gig one, and it's in space gray. All right, the lid is off. Yo, this fucker's big. I was not anticipating this. Oh, another reason why I got the bigger one and not the smaller one, I was originally gonna get the smaller one, but then someone was talking about how when you read PDFs and articles and stuff like that, on the smaller iPad, it actually gets small and you have to end up zooming in. And if you wanna look like double screen so that you can take notes as well as read the article, you can't do that on the smaller one. So that's the main reason why I got the big one. All right. It was almost really bad. So here it is in all its glory. Space gray, gorgeous, absolutely stunning. All right, let's see if it's actually charged at all. Probably not. Comes with a cord, like all Apple products. Comes with its block, like all Apple products. And comes with, wait, does it? Does it not? Oh, that's upsetting. I thought it came with a sticker. You know the Apple sticker that they always have? Does it not actually come with it? Oh, that's upsetting. That's really upsetting. Oh wait, never mind. I found it. God, I'm dorky. All right, so instructions. Welcome to iPad Pro. Turn on iPad Pro with the sleep wake button. I just did. Isn't that the top button? I don't think it's charged. That stinks. What is this for? What is this? Okay, I see this. What the fuck is this for? It shows pop. What am I popping out? What the? It says to push it in here. What am I doing? Ow. All right, so I think this thing is not charged. This video is already going at about 16 minutes. So we're not gonna wait for it to charge because it could take forever and a day. Yeah, definitely don't think it's charged. But yeah, so like all Apple products, it does comes with the block that all of them come with. And then it also comes with a cord, like always, so it can be charged. I'm probably gonna go ahead and do that now because I definitely want to mess with it. But that is it for this unboxing video. Leave a like down below, big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I enjoy doing unboxing videos. I like watching people do unboxing videos, so hopefully you like them as well. But if you did enjoy this video, give it a big old thumbs up and go on down there, hit that subscribe button wherever it may be if you haven't already done so, because I would really, really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.